Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to guide you how to add token to your Metamask wallet. So let's get started. In order to add token to your Metamask wallet, come to your Pancakeswap. No matter if you don't want to open Pancakeswap, you can do it easily by clicking on Metamask extension. Click on this menu, expand view. In here, scroll down and click on add token. Now, which token you want to add to your Metamask wallet? Simply go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and search here the coin name. Like I want to add SafeMoon to my Metamask wallet, so type here SafeMoon, click here. In here you will see contract address Binance Smart Chain. Simply copy this address, go back to your Metamask wallet. Now paste the SafeMoon address. In here automatically it will take the token symbol and the token decimal. Now click on next option. Here is my SafeMoon token. Then click on add token. Okay, finally my SafeMoon token or my SafeMoon coins added to my Metamask wallet. If you want to check its price, if you want to check your profit, then you can do it by going to Pancakeswap. In Pancakeswap, simply click on this BNB coin and select SafeMoon. Now in bottom, just simply type USDT, select USDT and click on maximum. Now you will see the total SafeMoon I have $351. So this is the easiest method, or to add any of your token to your Metamask wallet that it's not listed or is not added on your Metamask wallet, then by following this video you can do it easily. So I hope you just understand this video, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Don't forget, if you are new to this channel, simply click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. Okay, at last, one thing else. Following this method, following this video, you can add any token like XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Bitcoins, Ethereum, SafeMoon, Shiba Inu, any coin, any meme coin, any coin that you want to add to your Metamask wallet. Then by following this video you can do it easily. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.